DAs are paid by the state, and they're paid an hourly rate. They don't have overhead. They don't have to, they get paid whether they win or lose. They don't pay a DA, a certain amount per hour for all cases where they get a conviction and they don't pay them when they don't. This is only attorney's fees when you win, and you have to pay all your overhead. So it's an unfair system. The whole thing is an unfair system. But it's stacked against the prison. So the question is, what can you do? There are two basic approaches that you could use for these, in arguing these claims. Forgetting about the use of force, the beatings and all the rest of that, but just the solitary confinement. One is a due process approach. Now, for many years, most courts in this country held that these people in this situation had no due process rights whatsoever. So they could put you into one of these, well, let me step back. The law used to be that if you were put in solitary confinement for 30 days as a disciplinary matter, that they had to give you due process. They said, you started a fight in the prison, and you said you didn't. You said you were beat up by the prison guards. You didn't start any fight. They had to give you due process, including a right to call witnesses. You didn't have a right to bring a lawyer, but you had significant due process rights.